Hey, people, what go on? A boil dumpling again, you know. Yo, go follow me on Instagram. Boil dumpling official. People, yeah, what go on, you know. Me come to put Pretty Dan in our place because me realize so Pretty Dan on Facebook and Instagram are this Stacey Blacker and our little daughter, Pretty Dan. It's a Stacey Blacker, our little daughter, innocent. How dare you come on the media for this a little child? Disgrace a little child. She's a little kid. Don't do that, Pretty Dan. Don't do that, Pretty Dan, man. Shame on yourself, Pretty Dan. Here what go on. You see the reason why you had this blood clot pitney in a girl is because the mother don't like you, you know. Pretty Dan, your mother don't like you because your mother have you sleep on blood clot floor. And that's your back can't stop hot you. And what do you start live some life? Other day you start live some life, Pretty Dan. You used to live some shit life at Jamaica. You used to be a prostitute. You used to never sell a pussy for $500 money than $1,000. You used to sell a pussy for a pork more. I know everything about you at Jamaica and in Florida. In Miami, I just say all of my link then there. Remember Pretty Dan say, Stacey Blacker fucking your body with dildo. I make a suck off a dildo. So be a shit a suck off. Nasty girl. You may attack Pretty Dan. What you feel like? Your company media come sit down and this the little child for no reason at all. And your fans them up with that. I say all of the fans we attack off in the mouth. No man will not go down a half dozen box and broke on the jawbone. How dare Uno put up with Pretty Dan upon the media and this the little child? The little child is innocent. Me and Pretty Dan, me in a blood clot argument. This me leave Stacey Blacker and her daughter alone because they not do nothing. Nothing than a blood clot you Pretty Dan. Pretty Dan, me have a book yourself full of your business. Pretty Dan, me know everything about you. Every blood clot thing me know about you, Pretty Dan. Me know where you live. Me know where you meet a blood clot wife. Pretty Dan. Remember say they are foreign and drink up in name, you know, and I swallow the blood clot molly them, you know, cokehead stacky girl, you know. Remember say you are stacky. Pretty Dan, remember say you can't go a blood clot road because the girl you want to kick out her face. You have to power up with one bag of idiot waste boy behind you. You see them boy behind you? A batty man them. Because you take fucking your body with dildo and a sucker shit off a dildo. And your friend them about a cliff. And you be like, weed give them. You talk about bully beef head dry. Look for your blood clot head. Look on your head, Pretty Dan. You head like one name bun cane. Pretty Dan. Your mother home curse, and that's why you and your sister and brother them come out as half handicap. You all are like a half handicap. Boy, you're this little child. It hurt me, man. That blood clot hurt me. You see, you as a big star on the media, are this one little child. Pussy, remember say you have to blame me for your Instagram because you're afraid of me. I mean your worst blood clot nightmare because I have all of your business. You all of my link then in Miami, Florida. Miami, Florida come to Jamaica. Anybody left from Jamaica or Florida, they have to see a yard where they know. Because that place full of Jamaicans. Say all of my link. That's so I know everything about you. I know every single thing about you, Pretty Dan. And what you start live look a life. Other day, you start live life. Pretty Dan, you is nobody. You hear that there? You was a stacky. You was a mad stacky head part sick. Half handicapped girl. Look on them blood clot picture there. With you like 5-6 years ago. You like a shit. You like a fucking shit, Pretty Dan. You don't have nothing, you broke. Pretty Dan, you broke like a dog. Broke like a dog. But get up. And this is a little girl. The little girl do nothing. What little girl do? You all your fans that when I like you, suck on the mother to fans. You all the Pretty Dan fans when I like you, suck on the mother to straight up. Because you don't put up with fuckery like you don't have pitney to. How dare Pretty Dan for company blood clot me they can listen to look pitney. Like you look pitney do nothing. Pretty Dan, if I ever make me pull this blood clot book, Pretty Dan, you all your business boss. You all your secret boss out on the media. Me your worst nightmare. Your face say trade up on the media. They disrespect everybody. They disrespect bully beef. You flat blood clot, foot of hype. You disrespect every blood clot body. You dis the angel, you dis everybody. You dis Dovey Magnum and all of them. Suck your mother, Pretty Dan. Me your worst blood clot nightmare. You are go on. I say anytime I see this somebody again on the media. Me I this you. Me I pull the blood clot book. Me I pull the book. I let out a secret. Me have everything about your inner. Everything about you me have inner, Pretty Dan. If you know yourself.